Hello, my name is Roger Henningsson.
And I'm Andreas Fadell.
And we build mobile workstation at Sacpro. For the moment, we build a truck for Sortera.
And it's custom made for relining out in the field.
This car is built on a Renault chassis. Use the core palm, strong and tough. Really good insulation.
All our vehicles are equipped with extraction fans to get rid of all the epoxy fumes.
All work areas is well ventilation. Compressor and vacuum pump. Regulated pressured air and vacuum if you twist this up. Vacuum pump. Full compressed outlet.
This vehicle is equipped with a Eberspecher heater and a Dometic air conditioner.
Combi rail to secure material and equipments.
And all our vehicles are equipped with fire extinguisher and first aid kit.
You have a quite good with space in the front. This is a Finnish trailer we have in our showroom. The trailer is almost the same like the car, but much bigger. You have a lot of working space. Andreas, get out of here and build a car done. If you have some questions about vehicles, call us.
See ya.
See you.